Good morning and welcome to Stairlifts Wales. This is our test rig on which we use to test our circuit boards. We carry these in the van, so should you need one, we can help. We fit Brooks Acorn Slimline 120 and 130 due to their reliability and ease of use. They can suffer from a relay fault, although we can sort that out in-house. We carry spare parts, spare relays, and we can sort these out on site. All our circuit boards are tested on our rig to make sure the charge circuits are working correctly. That the remotes are paired, and that the Stairlift runs correctly. The Brooks Acorn Slimline 120 and 130 comes with a diagnostic display as shown. This is a really good bit of kit, as the user can look at it to diagnose any potential faults. Most of the faults we get are silly things like key switch turned off, which is an E9, seat knot replaced back, which is a E5, safety edge faults, which can normally be rectified by the customer in their own home. Should you have a problem, we can hopefully diagnose these things over the phone. When servicing, we check the rollers, the motor brushes, which are often overlooked, all the safety edges, and general lift operation. We supply and fit batteries. We only fit UASA or U-cell. We feel these are as good as the original manufacturers, if not better, and could give 3 to 5 years service. We hope this video has been informative. If you have any questions, please email, drop us a WhatsApp. We're here to help. We're not here to try and sell you a new Stairlift. We'd rather keep your old one going and keep it serviceable. Thanks so much for watching.